Hey friends, welcome back to Magali Sweets. For today's video, we're gonna make some cute ass Thanksgiving strawberries. I know I'm kind of late, y'all, but like, better late than never. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for some more cute ass content. Look at these beautiful strawberries I found in the store, you guys. Please. So our first berry is gonna be the easiest berry, and this is our marbled strawberry. So basically just put some food coloring up in your chocolate and dip your strawberry in it, and bam, it's a cute ass marbled berry. Look at it. Yes. So for our next berry, we have to go ahead and mix all that orange into the chocolate, and I went ahead and added a little bit more orange because you see it like blended into like this cream color, and I was gonna make a pumpkin, y'all. Like, we did not need no cream color. So yeah, I just went ahead and added some more orange in there. So I went ahead and got all of our bags ready for details. I had a bag with orange, black, and green. Oh, and white. Don't forget about that white. So you guys already know I have to massage all my chocolate bags, and I literally did that for every single bag. You guys, and don't be judging the way my food coloring bottles look, because if you guys know about this food coloring, then y'all know it's hella messy. Like, if y'all know any solutions or anything to that, let me know, because it is so hard for them not to get messy like that. Like, my Colourmill one's probably the cleanest one, shoot. So for my pumpkin berry, I just went ahead and did little orange stripes, basically to make them look like the indents that pumpkins have. And then to finish off the berry, I just added green strands. So yeah, that's like a really easy and cute. For our next berry, we gonna be using obviously some chocolate, and this one's gonna be a turkey berry, and this one's hella cute, you guys. Like, if you remember my cocoa bomb video that I made last week or a couple days ago, you guys know I made this cocoa bomb version, but this berry one, cute as fuck. So yeah, I just went ahead and did some eyes, and I added like 2 little lashes to make it all cute and girly. And don't forget to add the little glare on the eyes, you guys, so it looks like it's glistening. And I actually forgot to make yellow earlier for the turkeys, so I went ahead and mixed up some yellow real quick, and I went ahead and drew on the beak on the turkey. And to not be wasting any more baggies, we went ahead and mixed our red right into that yellow because we're not going to need the yellow anymore. So I used the red to add that little red stringy thingy. You guys know what I'm talking about, that turkeys have. So yeah. And I forgot to film this part, but I went ahead and used some fall leaves to go ahead and make like feathers for the turkey. And here I'm just showing you guys how I glued it on with my chocolate onto the turkey. Oh my gosh, tell me she is not a freaking cutie pie. Like, I absolutely love this strawberry. So I'm pretty sure you guys know where I'm going with this. Yep, y'all already know. I'm about to make a turkey berry, because come on. You can't make freaking Thanksgiving dozens without a turkey berry. And it's so easy, you guys. Just go ahead and stab that marshmallow with a pretzel stick and glue it on the strawberry with some chocolate. Come on now. It's hella fucking cute too. And then I just went ahead and dipped it in some chocolate. It looked like a little burnt turkey, but I mean, it's a turkey. We all know what it is. Oh my God, I just don't even know what strawberry is my favorite anymore. Like, look at how freaking cute that is. Nobody can tell me otherwise. And just to add a little bit more pizzazz, I went ahead and dipped the little drumsticks, whatever the heck we're calling them, and yeah, dipped it into white to look like the bone. I don't freaking know, but it's cute. When it comes down to packaging, I notice that I always lean towards like a pattern. So here for this video, I decided to do the marbled berry, then the turkey body, and then the pumpkin, and then the turkey. I don't know why, I feel like it always looks cuter when there's a pattern going on. So I suggest you guys start doing patterns in your boxes. I like think about this the whole time while I'm doing my order because I like to make everything super cute. And yeah, I hope you guys like the way I set it up. And comment down below what you guys are going to be eating for Thanksgiving because I cannot wait. Random fact, I've never had like your traditional Thanksgiving dinner. We always have tamales at my house, but this year my mom's actually going to make pozole and corundas. So I don't even think we're going to have turkey. But I ain't even mad at it. Yeah, y'all, I hope you guys like the way my Thanksgiving dozen came out. This is what I'm gonna be selling for Thanksgiving this year. But anyways, I hope you guys liked my video. Go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. Yeah, and Magali Sweet is out, baby. Bye. Oh my gosh, before I freaking leave, I forgot to tell you guys that I added blush to my turkey berries because they look so freaking cute. But anyways, I'm really out this time. Bye.